Limoncello Trifle is the cooler, sophisticated cousin of the traditional English trifle. It swaps heavy jam and sherry for bright citrus and that signature Italian kick. Since it's a no-bake assembly job, the secret lies in the layering. Here is how to build one that looks like a masterpiece and tastes like a sunny day in Amalfi. The essentials component. What you'll need: the base 1, large pound cake or 2 packs of ladyfingers, Savoiardi. The soak, 1/2 cup limoncello, plus 1/4 cup simple syrup, plus juice of 1 lemon. The cream, 2 cups heavy cream, 1 cup mascarpone, 1/2 cup powdered sugar. The zing, 1 jar of high-quality lemon curd. The garnish, fresh raspberries, mint leaves, or candied lemon peels. The game plan: 1. Prep the soak. In a small bowl, whisk together your limoncello, simple syrup, and lemon juice. If you want it extra boozy, feel free to tilt the ratio toward the liqueur. Just remember, it should be refreshing, not a fire hazard. 2. Whip the cloud. In a large bowl, beat the heavy cream, mascarpone, and powdered sugar until stiff peaks form. The mascarpone adds a velvety stability that regular whipped cream lacks, ensuring your trifle doesn't collapse into a puddle by dessert time. 3. The assembly, the fun part. Grab a glass trifle bowl or individual jars and start the build. Layer 1, the foundation. Cube the cake or break the ladyfingers. Line the bottom of the bowl. Layer 2, the drizzle. Generously brush or spoon the limoncello soak over the cake until it's damp, but not disintegrating. Layer 3, the curd. Spread a thin, vibrant layer of lemon curd over the cake. Layer 4, the cream. Dollop a thick layer of the mascarpone mixture. Repeat. Continue until you reach the top, finishing with a smooth layer of cream. 4. The big chill. Crucial step: let it sit in the fridge for at least 4 to 6 hours. Overnight is even better. This allows the ladyfingers to soften into a cake-like texture and the flavors to actually introduce themselves to one another. Pro tips for success: watch the sugar. Lemon curd is quite sweet, so keep your whipped cream relatively light on the powdered sugar to maintain that tart balance. The reveal: use a clear glass bowl. The visual layers of yellow and white are half the appeal. Zest it up. Grate fresh lemon zest over the very top just before serving for an aromatic punch.